The purpose of this video is to give you a head start with what would be worksheet 27 for pre-AP or worksheet 31 for on-level math students. And it is homework practice with multiple representations of inequalities. In the activity, you're going to be given a verbal description for an inequality. It is your task to identify the clue words or clue phrases that would let you know what symbol would be represented, the less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal symbols, to go ahead and write it algebraically, and to show what that would look like when it is graphed on a number line, whether it has an open circle, whether it has a closed circle, whether there would be an arrow traveling to the left or an arrow traveling to the right. It would also be great to have this resource available from class notes because it has some words and phrases that you could match with a symbol and then get a little bit of a refresher about what the graph should look like and how to write it algebraically. So just choosing a problem at random. There are 8 of them. I'm going to select problem number 4. It reads, you must be at least 18 years old to vote. And you may have knowledge of this just from your real life experience, being somebody who lives in the United States and being aware of the voting age, what that means. You know that as a middle school student, you can't participate in the local or national democracy because you are not the age of 18 yet. And that might already tell you, okay, I have to be older than 18. And so maybe you're between one of these things. But when I see at least is an indicator that would match with this inequality symbol, the greater than or equal to symbol. You will get credit for identifying a clue word or a clue phrase that led you in the direction of your answer. And now I can use the greater than or equal to sign. The X would represent our age, that our age has to be greater than or equal to 18. And it's not necessary to make little teeny tiny tallies and make a very specific number line. It's fine with me if you just want to mark your critical number. And I see that this number line is going to have a closed shaded circle at the critical number, and there will be an arrow going toward the right. This means that yes, it could equal 18. Additionally, it could be anything that is greater than 18. Even if you're turning 18 years old, you could vote. If you're a day beyond that, you could vote. If you're 3 months beyond that, you could vote. If you're 19 or 20 or 85 years old, you have that right in our country. And so that's why I'm shading to the right-hand side to show all things that are greater than 18. This is how the rest of the practice would go. You will get credit for each individual section. Please turn in on Google Classroom so that you can get some written and numerical feedback to see how you are doing. And you're welcome to use your notes also on the activity. Good luck to you.